Hi guys, welcome to the channel. General love reading for my friends Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus for December 2021. As always, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If you resonate, let us know. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the support. So guys, we are going for a Celtic Cross. Let's see what we can get for you. We get not enough, frustrated in relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear or ego issues, jealousy. Ascending, transcending obstacles, learning, expansion, new phase, preparing for union. Bottom of the deck, we have twin flames, yin and yang, zen, balance, union, duality, coupling, complement each other. Let's also pull from this oracle deck. Three cards. If you believe, the first one. Ask your angels. Look for a sign. Bottom of the deck. Reconsider. It can be about changing our mind about a situation. Let's see what the tarot has to say about these energies. And we are ready. So, current situation, Ace of Wands, the challenge, the Lovers, meaningful energy, crowning position, Nine of Swords, core of the situation, Page of Cups, past energies, Four of Cups, future energies, the Devil, my goodness, the Lovers and Devil duality, plus the twin flames energy involved. Approach to the situation, Nine of Cups, energies around you, Justice, which is a Libra energy, by the way, hopes and fears, Temperance, possible outcome, Two of Pentacles, a juggling act, Five of Cups, bottom of the deck, regrets, disappointments, sadness, or let's say something that maybe it's not exactly in alignment with expectations and desires. Because I am kind of drawn to the Four of Cups energy in the past, guys, because this can be a closed-off approach, kind of like dealing with someone that is not exactly open, and I will try to be as clear as I can with these energies, but at the same time you will have to evaluate if the scenario can speak to you, because we are talking about a meaningful soul-to-soul connection. It is fair to say that. But there is frustration in this situation, because it's kind of like one person has understood that there is something more than just two persons that can like each other, and the other person maybe is not yet on the same page. And considering the twin flames journey, we know that this can be a pattern that can come to play. It can even be something that we can associate to the runner and chaser dynamic. the concept is about that. The Ace of Wands, it's a spark, truly, a way to ignite a bonfire of passion, of desire, of attraction. There is a pull, a magnetic pull between two souls. But if one person is driven by their intuition, they may have more chances to understand what's going on, and maybe another person can struggle because they cannot figure out what's happening. Oh my goodness, why there is such a pull towards another human being. How is it possible? It is so overwhelming that I cannot think about anything anymore. This is the point. The challenge about the Lovers, it's also a heart over head decision. This is a big crossroads. This can be a crossroads about the connection, according to the time factor that is involved, guys. Because if the situation is dragging itself for quite some time, there can be frustration, because maybe another person is not available because they are struggling. And so the Page of Cups in the core of the situation can be a friendly energy, guys, but we are going to see a little bit more, because if some of the persons that some of you are dealing with were closed off, this behavior has ignited a cycle that is devilish influenced, and we need to break free. We need to break free from this cycle, otherwise we are stuck and it becomes unhealthy. It's not fulfilling. It becomes a frustration. For some of you, the connection can be a wish granted. It is fair to say that, considering the Nine of Cups. The other person has you in their mind, justice. No legal matters, guys, about this flow, considering this justice energy. The hopes and fears is all about, can we embrace a divine alchemy? Can we work things out together? Can we find a way to bring balance within the situation? But the possible outcome on the Two of Pentacles is a different type of juggling act. The Temperance is divine. This one is more low or lower on an energy level. Let's find out more about some energies, guys. Let's see the Ace of Wands, Knight of Cups. So this is a romantic gesture. Can we bring feelings and emotions in addition to the passion that can be involved in the connection? This can be your offer, for example, or what you are willing to offer to the other person. Are they ready to reciprocate the offer? Let's see the Lovers. Three of Cups. I know that the Three of Cups sometimes can be about third-party scenarios. It's not a feeling. So this can be about the pleasure to be with each other. But it cannot become a struggle. The connection cannot become a struggle. Otherwise, we shift from the Lovers to the Devil vibration. And we cannot enjoy light-hearted moments, happy times together. That's why it is in the challenge. Can we bring the connection to the higher level when it comes to vibration, or are we running the risk to stay stuck within the devilish vibrations? Let's see the Nine of Swords, guys. Death card. This is the energy that needs to go. This is a prison of the mind, a mindset that we must release. And if this speaks to your person, basically, they have to embrace an inner process, death and rebirth process. It's a revolution. Does it mean that it's an easy one? Not at all. But they kinda have a choice to make. We cannot force anyone to do anything, basically. And this is also something that we should keep in our mind. So, if they refuse to embrace the death card as a transition, as a change, as a revolution, and they remain stuck in the Nine of Swords, basically they are running the risk to miss a huge chance. So the Page of Cups, guys, lovely token. It can be the friendly type of interaction involved. I am curious about the Four of Cups, so let's go for it. Knight of Pentacles. This is a remarkable offer. It is also the slowest of the 4 knights in the deck, and this goes back to the consideration about the time factor. Because some of you have managed to understand the connection in an easier way compared with your person. And then time was ticking, but they were closed off. Kinda refusing to truly understand what the connection is about. And so let's see the Devil, future energy. Page of Cups, recurrent energy. The friendly interaction is running the risk to stay stuck in an unbalanced cycle. And if we are not able to embrace the revolution, this can truly bring frustration, because one person has understood the importance of the connection, the other one didn't, and we are not matching. We are not manifesting the Temperance Major Arcana, the Divine Alchemy. Let's see the Nine of Cups, guys. Approach to the situation. It should be a mindset in order to manifest wishes into reality. Let's see. Five of Wands. Some of you are questioning kind of the opportunity, because this can be an energy about competition, but in this case it is more about inner conflict. What if the other person doesn't understand what the connection means? People keep talking, they can say what they like. This can even be an energy about opinions, guys, coming from other people, kinda saying to you that it can be a source of frustration, the fact that we are kind of waiting for the other person to understand what's going on, and these can be wise words, because we should not put our lives on hold waiting for someone else to make a decision, because this is a challenging cycle. So let's see the Justice, energies around you, energies of your person. Absolutely, they have some of you guys in their mind, but Page of Swords, another page. This is a simple token. It goes with the Page of Cups. They are playing every interaction simple because they are overwhelmed. King of Pentacles, this is an energy about commitment. This person can be, they can be extremely reliable, honest and grounded, but this connection has brought something unexpected in their life. It's like a tornado. They are in the eye of the hurricane, guys, and they will have to pull themselves out of it somehow, some way. And this makes sense if you ask me, because if you try to power through the hurricane, you can run the risk to be swept away, metaphorically speaking, of course, but I hope that you can get the point. It is the best possible example that I can share with you right now about this situation, because this person needs to find clarity by themselves. Let's see the Temperance, guys. Hopes and fears. Well, it is more about, can we find a way to manifest the divine alchemy? Seven of Swords. This is about self-sabotaging, guys, in this flow. It is not about third-party scenarios. This is about two persons involved in a powerful soul-to-soul connection that can even be a twin flames experience. One person has clarity about the situation, and if you are here watching, basically you are investigating the energies somehow, some way. The other person maybe is overwhelmed, and they would even consider the opportunity to tiptoe away from the situation. Let's see the Two of Pentacles, guys. Juggling act, absolutely, but it's a juggling act about the cycle, as we were sharing a couple of minutes ago. It's a vibration that is lower compared with the one about the Temperance Major Arcana. Rough waters, it can be about it can be a factor about the struggles within the connection. And here comes again the Lover's Major Arcana. Heart over head decision. Bottom of the deck we have the Ace of Cups. This is a meaningful energy, guys. It's kinda auspicious, if I may say. But this is a two-way street, because you can have your clarity, and maybe some of you have already made up your mind about this connection, about the opportunity to embrace it, trying to manifest it at the fullest potential. The big question is about the other person. Are they going to take a good look at the situation, or do they prefer to run away like a free horse? This is a big crossroads. The one that has to reconsider the whole scenario seems to be your person. It is also fair to say, guys, that for some of you the situation as it is may not be enough, because once again there is frustration in this flow of energies, because the connection is not manifested how it should be. We are stuck. There is something that is not working. Do you believe that the connection can be manifested? Big question, but the process kinda asks for the other person to step up, to raise their level. And in the meantime, you can look for a sign if the interaction unfolds. But once again, I have to say that it would be wise to not put your lives on hold. You need to keep going You need to keep doing your things. You need to keep pursuing the type of opportunities that can bring fulfillment, joy, satisfaction, happiness, success in your favor. And then if the connection is meant to be on a soul level, the other person will gather their clarity. If not, if they refuse to embrace the clarity about the connection, it means that they have embraced a different heart over head decision. And I am sorry if these words sound as, oh my goodness, it's not gonna happen. Not at all, but it is fair to lay down all the aspects that are involved in this flow of energies. That's why I was saying in the very beginning that you will have to carefully evaluate if this flow can be appropriate to describe the potential connection that you are involved with, because this is a big challenge for the person that may still be overwhelmed by the power of the connection. And if it is a twin flames connection, there is the necessity to level up. But we cannot force another person to do something. They need to come to the conclusion about clarity by themselves. So guys, let's see in the extended where we are going. I hope that I made myself clear. I have tried my best and I hope it was helpful. I'll continue on Vimeo. I'll see you there if you want to join me. The link is below. If you resonate, let us know. Leave a comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I wish you all the best. Take very good care of you and I will talk to you soon. Bye.